welcome back to my channel. Richel here. Hello everyone. Okay, so another video, and I'm going to feature another plants for today. Actually, two plants. It's my favorite succulent plants, and this is also a request video from a friend, a YouTube friend, Lorraine. Ayan, so i-flex ko dito ang kanyang channel. And if you haven't subscribed to her channel, please visit her channel. Ilalagay ko din sa description box yung kanyang link sa kanyang channel, and visit her channel, guys. Ang first natin na plants is, actually, lagi nyo na itong nakikita dun sa aking mga previous video. If you are following my plants vlog. So, ang first plant that I'm going to feature is Aloe Vera. So, this is one of my favorite succulent plants. So, everyone knows that aloe vera has a lot of benefits. That's why gusto ko din siya, and you can use it for sunburn, sa hair mo, sa face, and it's really popular. And they use it also for a lot of medicines and for beauty care. Aloe vera, it comes from the genus of aloe, and it can live in the warm weather climate year-round, and you can nurture your aloe vera outside if it is warm weather, yung mga summer. But it has to be not direct sunlight. Freezing temperature will kill your aloe vera. That's why what I'm doing kapag winter here is nilalagay ko sa greenhouse, dun sa loob ng greenhouse namin. And magstay siya doon ng winter time. And then kapag summer, ilalabas ko siya under those trees. Yan, doon ko siya nalabas para shady din. If you have space inside your house, you can definitely put it on your near sa window side. Okay din yun. Ang tanong ko sa akin ni Sis Lorraine is paano pag-separate ang aloe vera. Ayan, since wala pa akong offset or pops or small aloe vera that it can usually see around the mother plant. Okay, so then let's talk about the propagation of the aloe vera. So, two ways. You can do it by separating offset and pops in the mother plant. So, usually, it appears around the mother plant. Ayan, since wala akong pops pa this time because it is a slow-growing succulent plant. So, I will just put some photos here. When the aloe vera get matured, it is common that it will have offset, or they call it puffs or small baby aloe vera surround on the mother plants. Ayan, so I think that's the best method to have the propagation, to separate them, and it has their own roots. And ang second natin ng way of propagation is actually leaves na hindi ko pa siya na-try. You have to plant the leaves itself, but it has a 50-50 way of surviving. And I will just suggest that you have just wait the offset. So that's the easy way. Kapag medyo maliit pa yung roots niya, you can just leave a little bit in the water until you notice that the roots are growing well, for them to put it on the soil. Ayan. So, watering. So, I usually water them kapag medyo dry na. Here in Malta, since we have a small space, you can think about it if you want small. Because I have a problem where to put them now because they are growing big now. And I don't want to get broken leaves. It's growing well. It's really thick now that you can use it. I usually put my aloe here under the lemon tree. One is under the naspi tree with this. So, naspi tree. Okay, yan. So, okay, the second plants that I'm going to feature is this. Charan! Oh, this is lace aloe or Aloe Aristata. How? This is like a family of aloe also, I think. Ayan. This Aloe Aristata, as you can see, is a succulent plant also, which is my favorite. It's really good to display indoor and outdoor. So you can plant it on soil or half soil and half pebbles. You can do it. I just put it on the top, some of the pebbles. So these plants also can survive without watering for a long time. That's why I like also these plants. As you notice that it has a fleshy leaves which are soft spined and dark green color. So the leaf change color as weather change, and these plants can grow all kinds of weather and different condition. Ayan. So this is the mother plants that I have. Ayan. So before it has on the pot, but inilipat ko siya dito. If you want, without the hole of the pot, so you have to be careful on watering the plants. So this pops, I got it, I don't know, around 2 years now. Ayan. Ayan. So I got this from the mother plants that they grow here. Ayan. And I have, actually tatlo sila na malaki na ngayon. I have this. So nilagay ko siya sa coconut shell. So dito, ito, cute siya. Ayan. Kasama ng ibang other succulent. So I don't have much succulent plants, but this is one of my favorite. Diba? Maganda yung texture niya. And this year, so this is a slow growing plants, kaya hindi ganun kadami yung aking offset. But this year, I got this. Ito ready for transfer. Ayan. And then, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng water and pebbles there for them to grow. But this is ready to transfer. I have 3 more. Oh, that's cute. I have 3 more here. So, kapag nakabili ako ng pot, since hindi pa tayo makalabas this time, this tree, medyo maliliit pa siya yung roots niya. So, it has to stay in the water a little bit more. But, so what I like in this plant is it change color. Kapag medyo naarawan siya, ganito yung magiging color niya. Dark red, parang maroon siya. Ayan. Kapag nasa shade siya, green. Okay, so, I think that's the propagation method. The easiest way, you have to wait just to offset, especially if you don't have a lot of space, so you have time to think where to put it. Ayan. So, actually, I noticed one here. Where is it? There's another pups coming. I don't know if it's 2. Let me show you the offset. Here. Meron na siyang bago. The offset. Ayan. I'll show you this 2. So, meron siyang spike here, but let's see. I like the cactus. It's cute. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. And for those who want to know more about urban gardening in Malta, please comment down below. So if you want me to feature another plants again next time. And Sis Lorraine, thank you for always supporting and watching my channel. Thank you so much. And what else? And since hindi pa rin tayo makalabas, i-continue natin na mag-feature ng mga plants pa next time. And see you on my next video. Good vibes to everyone. Bye!